Okay, in this video we're going to look at some more features of pivot tables. We're going to start off creating a pivot table again, just like we did before. Put the cursor in the data, click on the Insert tab, and click on Pivot Table. And we're going to take the defaults. The cursor was in the data, so it selected the right data for us, and we're going to put it on a new worksheet. So it creates a new worksheet for us. And let's do what we did before. Product and revenue. Okay. But I can do more than just one. I can summarize on more than just one field if I want to. Let's say I want to summarize the data by product and by month. Okay. If I click on product first, it appears first down here. If I click on month second, it appears second down here. And the data gets arranged first by product, and then underneath product I'm going to see the individual values for each month. Okay. And a neat thing I can do here is I can go down here and grab one of these row labels and make it into a column label by just dragging it up here and dropping it in the column label box. And when I do, now I get the data summarized by product again and by month, but this time it's in a table format instead of in a list format. And let's do the same thing here with the numbers. Let's make them a little easier to read. And they're not quite wide enough now, so let's go and select them all and double click, and there we go. Now we've got enough room to read the data. So it's the exact same data, it's just presented in a table format instead of a list format. Now you can also grab product and drag it up here, but when you do, you get something that's really pretty ugly. You get one really long row of all of the data in it, and it's basically unreadable. But you can leave product up there, and you can drag month down here if you want to. And again, I've got the same data that I had before. The only difference is I've just rearranged it. If I also wanted to toss region in here, I could do something like this, drag region down here. And now I've got the products going across the top, which is what it says over here on the right. And then going down the side, first I have month, and then within month I have my 4 regions. And again, you can drag and drop and rearrange this stuff just about any way you want to. That one doesn't look very good, so let's drag product back down here, and that's another way to look at the same data. So you can take any data that has repeating values in it, and in Excel use a pivot table and rearrange that data and look at it in just about any way you want to look at it. It's very flexible, it's very powerful, and it's very easy to use.